Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here in Doha Oasis complex to visit the VOX Cinemas. This is the most luxurious cinema in town. Come and let's take a glimpse of it. Quest theme park and VOX Cinemas are both part of Doha Oasis complex. To the right is the entrance going to the Quest theme park. Upstairs is the VOX Cinemas. This is the hallway of the cinemas. As you can see, the walls are covered with LED screens. And here we are now at the lobby of the cinemas. They have for kids. For VIP. They offer also 4DX, a multi-sensory movie watching concept. The lobby is cool and awesome. This is the ticket and snack food counters. Downstairs, the newest soon-to-open world-famous restaurant, Planet Hollywood. So what are you waiting for, guys? Come and try to experience VOX Cinemas. Thank you for watching. This is Mr. Doha, your friendly neighborhood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. And please comment down below. I love to hear your thoughts and comments. Until next time.